Hey y'all, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below so that you can join the mafia and be part of the fam and never miss uploads from me by clicking the bell to get notified. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super melted install. I think this is some of my best work yet. I'm using a 5x5 HD lace closure wig from Unice or Unice Hair that I purchased myself on AliExpress. So first things first, I'm just sectioning off a small piece of the closure, section straight across the back and on the side, and I'm going to run my Care wax stick over it and hot comb it. You're going to see this hot comb so many times in the video because it is key to getting a super duper flat install. So sectioning out that small piece in the back just helps to hide the tracks better and make it be the illusion of a frontal, like, you know, we got more lace than we actually do. So basically I'm just going to be working my way up on this side section by section with the wax stick and the hot comb until I get to my parting section. See how you can see the difference between the hot comb side and the side I haven't touched yet? That's why I say the hot comb is very much so necessary. So I'm gonna hot comb the hair going straight back and section off a piece and start plucking my closure to kind of thin it out and make the hairline look more natural. This clip is in actual speed because I wanted you guys to see the pace that I'm working with when I'm plucking the closure. And where you're plucking, just make sure that you have a comb so that you can comb through the hair every so often, basically to see, you know, how much hair you've taken out and if you should take out more, and to get all those loose strands out. Now look at this plucked hairline. So I'm going to be taking some of my foundation powder and putting that all in the closure lace space and then spraying it with some Got To Be hairspray to keep that makeup from spreading. And I'm going to add that same color to my stocking cap. I did bleach the knots on this hair. Not really sure how well it took. I used 40 volume developer and bleach and I let it sit for about 20 minutes, but I think it could have came out a bit better. So sectioning the hair out of the way, I'm getting ready to work with the lace. First by cutting off those weird lace tabs that are on there, just because getting rid of that will help the lace to lay better. And then I'm going to spray across the hairline with my Got To Be glued spray and tie it down with an elastic band to let this begin, you know, the melting process. And because I'm going to let this band sit for a while, I'm just going to occupy myself with curling or styling the hair. I didn't really do much but put some loose flat iron curls in there. And of course, run the hot comb through the hair one more time because, like I said, this hot comb, I just can't put it down. I took some BioSilk, a small amount, and put it on my hair first before I added the curls in. Once I'm done curling the hair, I'm going to remove that elastic band and look at the lace. It's looking good, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you guys how I cut it off because I had to go into a mirror. Believe it or not, I used my viewfinder as a mirror for this whole entire video. So you should subscribe and thumbs me up just for that. So I'm just going to touch up my hairline with that spray again to get any pieces that may have missed or didn't really melt to my liking, and tie it down once again. And once I take it off, one more round with the hot comb, and these are my finished results. Make sure you let me know down in the comments what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.